What you got there, Sporto? What is this? Ow, don't bite my finger. Here, grab a hold of the cat.
You know, when your kid is born, it can still be perfect.
Let go, Spaz. Let go. No, hold on to him, baby. God damn it.
To be like
Okay.
me.
Oh, some of his neck stuff is coming out here. Hold on.
Sorry, he was trying to bite me. How did I let go?
Oh.
Here we are, Barney Bear, just marching along the forest here today, and oh my God, we see a black tiger. Oh, oh, get out of me! Oh, oh, oh.
Let's all thank Gil for stopping by.
You want to play some fetch? Here, go get it.
Let's just wait and see. The worrying isn't going to help.
Tense.
You tense right now?
My back is tense, my neck is tense. My ears are tense. It's like they're hot or something.
Maybe I could do something to help you relax.
I doubt it.
I'd like to try.
Oh wow, what's that? What do you mean? If I just keep throwing this thing, you're just going to keep bringing it back? Let it go. Let it go.
I am so sorry.
All right. It was my fault. This kind of took me by surprise. So, how does that? Sure, honey. Yeah, be all right.
What happened to your bear? No more? Okay. You're going to be like that about it. You're going to be like that about it, huh?
Hi, Dad.
Spaz? Ow! No, don't scratch the camera. No! Let go.